Okay, so this is just a simple ladder diagram over here. I'm not really going to explain the basics of everything, but the main outputs that we want to observe is this output here, output Q0.0 and Q0.1. Basically, when this latch is off, this output should flash, and when this latch is on, this one should stop flashing and this one should go on. So we can just see that, like, if we run this, yes, this output is flashing. Then when we turn on this latch over here and make this output go high, this one goes off and then this one goes on. Turn off the latch, flashing resumes. So that's what happens. That's basically what you expect when you have outputs. You can have this kind of program, but the trouble comes in when you have the outputs having the same address. We can try just running that to have a visual representation of what we what we're talking about. So if let's try that again. Load program, yes, accept, competent. Right. So if we just have the exact same program, but only difference being that, you see we have Q0.0, Q0.0. What we expect when this program starts running is that this output Q0.0 will start flashing, but what actually happens is it doesn't. Well, that's weird. Oh yeah, exactly. Yeah, so we expect that. Okay, let's start. So basically, we expect, like, when everything is off, we expect this output to start flashing. All right, and then when the latch goes on, we'd expect this output to be the one that's flashing. So let's just see what happens. Let's put it in run. When we run it, what happens is this is not flashing, right? But it's better to be flashing because this output is overriding whatever this is saying. So this output, the output Q0.0 is controlled by this value, such that when you turn on this latch, what happens is this output is actually being controlled by this one. You can actually see these two are being lit while this rung is actually off. So that's basically what happens when you set two outputs, two rungs with the same output. The final rung is what will determine what is written to the output. So in this case, this rung determines what this happens to Q0.0. If we turn off the latch, everything is off because this one is off. So that's why you should never ever have two rungs having the same output, because the very last output will overwrite any of the outputs above it.